Okay, we try to be training a little bit.
So we can
Assalamu
make a
alaikum wa
real...
rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Kusoo dhawaada. And aniga, what's your name?
Yasin.
Adigana?
Yusuf.
Yusuf. Yusuf, Yasin, and Omar.
How about Yasin has to pay again? He's wearing shorts up to here for him.
Oh, be busted.
When I was playing those down, I pushed it down.
Huh?
Yeah.
Your knees are showing. That's what he caught you on it. Let's see. Stand up. Stand up. See if your knees will be covered by that. Hold it down. Let's see.
Huh?
Let's see. We're gonna show the people if you're lying or not. See, you cannot break with that. You can. You be cut it. Oh my God! He caught you big. Oh my God! He caught you. He caught you. Guys, what are you gonna say? What do you have to say about that? Say something. You have nothing to say?
No.
Okay, what are you gonna do then?
Something to say for him?
What?
Go wear another pants and go pray.
All right, that's good. Actually, that's good. That's good. Go do that. Go ahead and do that. That's your boss now. He told you what to do.
No.
All right, man. The video. Hey, like we were saying, this gonna be a 3-part of a video that we're producing from now on. We're gonna make a channel for them. Whatever thing we do that day, they have to translate. They have to translate to Somali. What do you tell them what we're gonna do? Okay.
We're going to do a box fort challenge. Whoever gets out of the box fort.
No, that's not the case.
What?
We're gonna do a story in English, then we translate that
In
story
Somali.
to Somali.
And
Then
then
we're gonna show
do
you.
the behind the scenes how we made it.
Okay, start it off. Let's say you get that. Let's say you tell that people nicely. Now we'll practice on this one.
We're going to do stuff in English. We're gonna stay in English. Then we're gonna translate it in Somali. Then we're gonna do the behind the scenes of the video.
Okay, Yusuf, come over here. Maybe you can do better than him. What do you have to say? Tell people what we're gonna do.
And we're going to tell a story, then we're going to translate it from English to Somali.
Okay, and what's the final part gonna be? Behind the scene. Oh, we forgot it. We're gonna show the. Okay, we're gonna show how you found out.
We're going to show behind the scene of the English and the Somali one.
Okay, all right. What do you have to say to people right now? Because you're gonna be right now from now on, they're gonna be watching you. What do you have to say to your people? Please subscribe
And
put
hit
a
that
like.
and comment down below.
Comment on below. Okay, that's good. What do you say? Say that again one more time.
Subscribe. Hit that thumbs up symbol. Hit that notification bell. And comment down below.
Okay, what do you have to say?
Hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and please subscribe.
All right, thank you. All right, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you
Assalamu
for
alaikum.
watching. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.
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 Bye.